Yes, all of you turn on your video. Turn on your video, all of you. Okay, in the last class, I explained about the graphical representation of pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, Megha, so I think I have given some homework. Is it
Sir,
homework ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
sir, on
Huh?
that day my class didn't connect, sir.
Oh God. Okay, fine. Radhika, have I given any work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which equation? So graphical representation of pair of linear equations in two variables. Saujanya, yes, you tell me. You completed homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me equations.
In fourth main question is consistent.
Okay, fine. So fourth main questions. Is it? Yes, fine. Okay, once again today we will solve it. The first equation is x plus y is equals to 5. 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. Okay, this is the equation. Is it? So fine. We have to solve this equations graphically. Once again, today I will explain you how to solve the given pair of equations graphically. So this equation consistent or inconsistent without doing just by observing the equations. Yes, tell me. So which condition is satisfied? There are three conditions. Once again we recall. First condition, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Okay, so intersecting lines, unique solution, and consistent. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, not equals to C1 by C2. So infinite number of solution, coincident lines, and infinitely many solution. Third condition, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So parallel lines, no solution. So this one, A1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So therefore A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, that is equals to C1 by C2. Which type of solution exists? Infinite number of solutions exist. Means we will get coincident lines. ಯಾವ type lines ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Coincident lines. Is it clear? Yes, let's solve it. What are the steps to solve these type of equations graphically? First step is consider first equation and find out minimum 3 solutions. Mute your audio, Rahul and Pooja. K Pooja. ನಿಮ್ಮ audio mute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Rahul K. And second step is K Rahul. Video on ಮಾಡಿ audio mute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, second step is again solve second equation, find 3 solution, then represent each solution on graph paper. Then you will get a straight line. Okay, so let's solve it. First one. How to solve it? First one. So express the given equation. This is x plus y is equals to 5. Express this equation y in terms of x. Okay, how will you express y in terms of x? Y is equals to 5 minus 6. Y alone in the LHS, remaining all terms you should transfer to RHS. This is called y in terms of x. Is it clear? Okay. So second step. So now assume for the x value. X again you assume 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that you assume it. Then here you substitute. You will get y value. Okay, x value, y value are called solution. So now assume for x value, if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 5 minus 2, it is 3. So therefore 2, 3 is one solution. Very simple. It is not difficult. So consider first equation, express y in terms of dx, assume for the x value. ನೀವು ಯಾವ values ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ assume ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You can assume it x as 0, x as 1, x as 2, x as minus 1 also, minus 2 also, minus 3 also. Any values you can assume. Okay, likewise assume two more values. If x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5 minus 3, it is 2. So 3 comma 2 is also solution. If x is equals to 4, y is equals to 5 minus 4, it is 1. So 4 comma 1 is a solution. These are the solutions of the equations. Is it clear? Now draw a table. X and y. So 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 1. So these are the solutions. This is the first part. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. I am not telling any stories. Take pen and paper, do calculation, try second problem. Try ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ. You are all studying 10th standard. Sumne illirodu as it is. If you copy, so you will not learn anything. Work ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Try it. Don't worry. If you do mistake, don't worry. So try to improve it. So solve it. Next equation. Solve ಮಾಡಿ. Consider second equation. Express y in terms of the x. Final exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 marks question ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು graph. 4 marks question. Okay, second one. 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. So 2y is equals to 10 minus 2x. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? If you send 2x to RHS minus 2x. Now what is the next step? Y is equals to 10 minus 2x whole divided by 2. So 2 goes to RHS divided by 2. Next step. What is the next step? Now assume for the x value and substitute. You will get y value. Fractions ಬರ್ಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ assume ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. So x is equals to 0. Suppose if x is equals to 2 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. 0. Y is equals to 10 minus 2 into 2 by 2. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 minus 4. So divided by 2, 6 by 2. So it is 3. So therefore 2 comma 3 is one solution. Now suppose x is equals to 3. Y is equals to 10 minus 2 into 3 by 2. So 10 minus 6 by 2. So 4 by 2. It is 2. So therefore 3 comma 2 is also one more solution. Okay. So now if x is equals to 4, y is equals to 10 minus 2 into 4 by 2. So 10 minus 8 by 2. So this is 2 by 2. This is 1. So 4 comma 1. So now table. So what are the solution? Same solutions. What is same solutions? Because this is infinite number of solution and coincident lines ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. So is it clear? Okay, now graph part. This is calculation part. Next step is graphical part. So in the graph sheet, draw two lines, vertical line, horizontal line, and mark these points and join those points. So it's a straight line. Try ಮಾಡಿ. ಸುಪ್ರೀತಾ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದು?
Yes, sir.
Zunaira, so is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ಗಗನಶ್ರೀ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.